Farewell Sermon by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
This sermon was delivered on the 9th day of Hajj, 10 AH, 623 AD, in the Urana Valley of Mount Arafat in Mecca. It was the occasion of annual rites of Hajj. It is also known as the farewell pilgrimage. After praising and thanking Allah, the Prophet, peace be upon him, began with the words, O people, lend me an attentive ear, for I know not whether after this year one shall ever be amongst you again. Therefore, listen carefully to what I am saying and take these words to those who could not be present here today. O people, just as you regard this month, this day, this city as sacred, so regard the life and property of every Muslim as sacred trust. Return the goods entrusted to you to their rightful owners. Hurt no one so that no one may hurt you. Remember that you will indeed meet your Lord, and that He will indeed reckon your deeds. Allah has forbidden you to take usury, therefore all interest obligation shall henceforth be waived. Your capital is yours to keep. You will neither inflict nor suffer any inequality. Allah has judged that there shall be no interest and that all interest due to Abbas ibn al-Muttalib be waived. Every right arising out of homicide in pre-Islamic days is henceforth waived, and the first such right that I waive is that arising from the murder of Rabi'a bin al-Harithiyah. O men, the unbelievers indulge in tampering with the calendar in order to make permissible that which Allah forbade, and to prohibit what Allah has made permissible. With Allah, the months are 12 in number. 4 of them are holy, there are successive and one occurs singly between the months of Jumada and Shaban. Beware of Satan, for the safety of your religion. He has lost all hope that he will be able to lead you astray in big things, so beware of following him in small things. O people, it is true that you have certain rights with regard to your woman, but they also have rights over you. Remember that you have taken them as your wives only under Allah's trust and with His permission. If they abide by your right, then to them belongs the right to be fed and clothed in kindness. Do treat your women well and be kind to them, for they are your partners and committed helpers, and it is your right that they do not make friends with anyone of whom you do not approve, as well never to be unchaste. O people, listen to me in earnest, worship Allah, say your 5 daily prayers, fast during month of Ramadan, and give your wealth in zakat. Perform Hajj if you can afford it. All mankind is from Adam and Eve. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab have any superiority over an Arab. Also a white has no superiority over a black, nor a black has any superiority over a white, except by piety and good action. Learn that every Muslim is a brother to every Muslim, and that the Muslims constitute one brotherhood. Nothing shall be legitimate to a Muslim which belongs to a fellow Muslim, unless it was given freely and willingly. Do not therefore do injustice to yourselves. Remember one day you will meet Allah and answer your deeds, so beware. Do not astray from the path of righteousness after I am gone. O people, no prophet or apostle will come after me and no new faith will be born. Reason well, therefore, O people, and understand words that I convey to you. I leave behind me 2 things, the Quran and the Sunnah, and if you follow these you will never go astray. All those who listen to me shall pass on my words to others, and those to others again, and may the last ones understand my words better than those who listen to me directly. O Allah, be my witness, that I have conveyed your message to your people.
As part of this sermon, the Prophet recited to them a revelation from Allah, which he had just received, and which completed the Quran, for it was the last passage to be revealed.
This day the disbelievers despair of prevailing against your religion, so fear them not, but fear me. Allah, this day have I perfected for you, your religion and fulfilled my favor unto you, and it hath been my good pleasure to choose Islam for you as your religion.